Hello. Today we will show you the fifth animal character, the tiger. And I won't repeat the previous movements of Shaolin 13 Paws. Okay, let's start. We will raise both hands above head, put weight to right leg, lift the left leg. And then we will step left leg ahead and bend down our body. The right knee touch the floor. And then we will lift the right leg and put both the paws ahead and step ahead. Right leg bend, left leg straight. And push down, two paws ahead. Then we step with the left leg ahead, put two paws to back, and like this position. Now we will make a circle on the same level. So from right to ahead and to back. And at the same time, move the weight to left leg and kick with the right leg. And now, step ahead, bend the right leg, straight left leg, and move two paws ahead. And then we will do three main movements for all the characters of Shaolin 13 Paws. Left paw, head up, and right paw near the air. Push. So at this moment, the left paw on the top of the right shoulder. So I repeat again. I will not explain, just observe carefully. Now I will move a little bit fast. Again.